Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from bits to breakthroughs. I'm your host, Vanessa 1.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining us again in our AI Basics, the Fundamentals series. In our last episode, we explored AI bias, how it develops, its impact, and strategies for mitigating it. Today, we're turning our attention to another critical issue in the world of AI: privacy. As AI systems become more integrated into our daily lives, privacy concerns are growing. In this episode, we'll discuss how AI systems collect and use data, what risks this poses, and how you can protect your privacy in the age of AI. Let's dive in. AI thrives on data, and the more data it has, the better it can learn and make decisions. But this reliance on data raises questions about how our personal information is being used, shared, and protected. Let's start by looking at how AI systems collect data and the potential privacy risks. AI systems are everywhere, from the apps on your smartphone to the websites you visit. They collect vast amounts of data, often without you realizing it. Here are a few common ways AI systems collect data. Online activity. AI systems track your browsing habits, what you search for, the ads you click on, and how long you spend on different websites. Smart devices. From smartphones and smart speakers to smartwatches, AI-powered devices collect data like your location, voice commands, and even health information. Social media. Social media platforms use AI to analyze your posts, likes, and interactions to create detailed profiles of your behavior and preferences. Once this data is collected, it's used to make predictions and decisions. For example, AI systems can use your data to serve personalized ads, recommend products, or even adjust prices based on your online behavior. But what happens to all of this data? This is where privacy concerns come into play. Data security. With so much personal information being collected, there's always a risk of data breaches. If an AI system is hacked, sensitive personal data, such as financial or health information, could be exposed. Data sharing. Many AI systems share data with third parties. For example, social media platforms often sell user data to advertisers, raising concerns about how much control we really have over our information. Surveillance. AI systems like facial recognition and real-time tracking technologies raise concerns about surveillance and how our movements and activities are being monitored without our consent. These privacy risks highlight the need for better data protection practices and regulations to ensure our personal information is used responsibly. At newbits.ai, we take privacy seriously, and we believe in promoting responsible AI practices. But what can you do to protect your privacy when interacting with AI systems? Here are some practical steps you can take to safeguard your personal information. 1. Limit data sharing. Be mindful of what data you share with AI systems. For example, adjust the privacy settings on your devices and apps to limit data collection. 2. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication, 2FA. Protect your accounts with strong, unique passwords. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security, requiring you to verify your identity through a second method, such as a code sent to your phone. 3. Review app permissions. Many apps collect more data than necessary. Regularly review and adjust the permissions of the apps you use, limiting their access to sensitive data like your location or contacts. 4. Be aware of data policies. Before using a new AI-powered service or app, take the time to read its privacy policy. Know what data is being collected, how it will be used, and whether it will be shared with third parties. As AI continues to advance, it's essential to stay informed and proactive about protecting your privacy. Governments around the world are introducing regulations to help safeguard personal data, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in Europe, but individuals also play a crucial role in ensuring their privacy is protected. At newbits.ai, we encourage our AI Hub community to join the conversation on data privacy and explore how we can work together to ensure AI develops responsibly, respecting privacy at every step. In our next episode, we'll take a closer look at responsible AI, principles, practices, and policies, where we'll discuss what it means to create and implement AI systems that align with ethical and responsible practices. Thank you for joining me for this episode of AI Basics, the Fundamentals. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.